everyone, in front of me is REALME GT7 and let me show you what you can do once your apps keep crashing. So, for example, if your phone dialer is still turned off and you don't know what to do, let's start with opening the settings, then find and select apps, go to app management, pick the app that you want to take care of. So let me go. Okay, so for example with phone, as mentioned, go to storage usage and here click on clear data. Now if you truly want to do it, you can do it. If not, just cancel. The second step is to clear cache. Actually in this app we have nothing to clean. Let's check here. Okay, so for example, let's say the photos are not working properly, so right after you mark clear cache, it would be cleaned, it would be removed. So this is the first step. Then let's open Play Store and go to manage apps and device, mark on see details, choose the app that is crashing and mark update. Then just wait till it's done. It should also help you in proper working of this app. Okay, so it has been done. Now also, like the very old-fashioned way is just to restart your device. It's usually working. Actually you can start with this option. To do it, just tap on power button along with volume up button, tap and hold. And wait till your REALME is rebooted. Actually, I do suggest to start with this option. It's kind of an easy way, but usually it's more than enough. And now just unlock your device. But if it's still not working, the last option is to remove this particular app and then download it again. So for example, let me do it with Letishop, whatever. Mark on uninstall, select uninstall. Once it is done, just open your Play Store, look for this app and then download. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.